If you've got a Google Chromecast, it doesn't matter if it's this newer version or one of the older versions, this is the main reason why your Google Chromecast won't be turning on. So if you don't have the original power adapters, you might be using something similar to one of these. Now surprisingly, even though they're similar physical sizes, they don't put out the same amount of energy. This one here is only 550 milliamps, maybe able to see. And this one here is 2 amps. Most Google Chromecasts will require 1.5 to 2 amps, depending if it's the old one or new one. So best to try and get a 2 amp one, and then that should allow it to turn on. If you're using either the original one or a power adapter which provides enough power and it's still not turning on, it could be that the power adapter is faulty and would need replacing. So try obviously a power adapter with higher power, and then if you've already tried all those things and you're still not getting any results, you may need to replace the power adapter first. Still not working, maybe it's your Chromecast. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.